AI isn't your replacement, it's your leverage. People are scared because they think they're competing with a machine. The smart ones understand something different. This is the golden era of learning. You can now unlock features, test ideas, and explore logic at a speed that was impossible 3 years ago. If you want a job in 2026, you don't need to fear AI. You need to master it. Now think about a massive farmland. You have two choices to clear it. You can use a hoe, or you can use a tractor. Both will get the job done eventually. But the person using the hoe is exhausted, slow, and limited. The person driving the tractor, they finish in hours and still have the energy to manage 10 more farms. In this era, syntax is the hoe. It's the manual labor. AI is the tractor. Aspiring developers who refuse to use AI are like farmers insisting on using a hoe because they want to do it the real way. But the market doesn't reward effort. It rewards harvest. Using AI as your +1 tool helps you learn faster and build bigger. It removes friction, but you are still the driver. The tractor doesn't decide where to go. You do. But here is the catch. A tractor without a driver crashes. AI can generate insecure, inefficient, or broken code. It doesn't understand your security requirements. It doesn't know if the code it just gave you has a massive hole that a hacker could exploit. To be a machine driver in 2026, your most valuable skill isn't writing code, it's reviewing it. You need to be the lead investigator of every line the AI suggests. Here's why this is the fastest path to getting hired. You no longer need to spend months memorizing where a semicolon or quote goes. Let AI handle the whole work, the syntax, so you can focus on the tractor work, the architecture. For example, you build a budgeting app. It crashes whenever users upload a CSV file. Instead of staring at the error for 3 days, you use AI to trace the parsing logic, discover an edge case encoding issue, fix it, and document the solution. That's leverage. To get hired in 2026, you don't prove you can type perfectly. You prove you can think clearly and leverage tools. That's what employers want. A human who knows how to drive the machine. Don't let negative assertions become your excuse to stay stagnant. While others debate whether coding is dying, you should be building. Use AI to explain concepts. Use it to generate boilerplate. Use it to debug faster. But never use it to replace your thinking. You are the architect. AI is just the most powerful hammer ever invented. The secret to speed isn't how fast you type. It's what you choose to ignore. You don't need to become a computer science professor to land an entry-level job. You need to become a builder. 80% of your real job will be reviewing code, debugging errors, connecting databases to interfaces. So stop studying the dictionary. Start building a sentence. Pick one project, not a simple to-do list, but a real solution to a real problem you personally have. Then learn only the tools required to finish that project. Nothing more. Here's a truth that might hurt. A recruiter doesn't care that you completed a 40-hour Python course. They care that you solved something. Your GitHub shouldn't be filled with 100 tiny tutorial files. It should have 1 or 2 deep projects where you can clearly explain why you chose that database, how you fixed a bug that took 3 days, and how you would scale it to 1,000 users. Being able to talk about your failures proves you're a real engineer. Once you understand the basics, stop learning and start applying. Build in public. Share your confusion phase. Companies don't just hire coders. They hire learners, people who are transparent, disciplined, and consistent. The fastest way isn't a shortcut. It's a narrower path. Stay focused on one programming language, one goal, one direction, until you reach the finish line. Because the future doesn't belong to the loudest developer. And AI won't replace developers. Developers who refuse to evolve will replace themselves. The future belongs to the one who knows how to drive the machine.